How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification of Google Gmail account. If any day you have a phone number and you are trying to verify your Gmail account through that phone number, but it is not being done and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for that. For that, first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings icon on your mobile device. After tapping on the settings icon on your mobile device, now you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to tap on the option of Google on the downside. After tapping on the option of Google, now it will take you to an interface like this. After seeing an interface like this, now you have to see all of those. You can go to the option for the settings for the Google apps, and then what you have to do is you have to maintain all of the settings, and then you can go back. After going back, now you have to tap on the option of software update. If you see any of the update here, you have to download and install the update. Otherwise, again, you can go back, and after going back, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to just scroll like this and tap on the option of location. Here on location request, you have to provide the right location by enabling it. And after that, you can close it and then tap on the Gmail like this. After tapping on the Gmail, now you have to go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, now you have to enable all the notification permissions and then go to the option of storage. Here, if you see any of the cache, you have to clear down the cache by going there. And then you have to go back, then tap on the option of app details in store. After tapping on app details in store, if you see any of the option of update there, you have to update your very application, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.